What's up, guys? And do y'all like my new intros? If you do, leave a like and comment down below what you want to see more from me. But if you want to get this cute little makeup look, then keep on watching. I'm priming my eyes with my NYX Got You Covered Concealer, color medium. And you know, I did this look. I did this look, but I don't even know what colors I use. To be for real, I use like a brown tannish color, and then one on the outside. It kind of has like an orange to it. Well, but you will see, like it's like a tan color at first, and then on the outer corner I use like a darker brown. And see, that's the darker color I use for the outer corner. But you know, when you use it for the outer corner, then I'm gonna cut the concealer with this really pretty gold color, and then I go back with that outer corner to like blend it and stuff. And I also use this gold liquid eyeliner I got from Amazon. I'm gonna link it down in the description, because the video I did for it reviewing the liquid lipstick, and it's still good. I had it for like a year or two, and it's still good. And now I'm just putting on a thin black eyeliner, because you know, sometimes you just gotta have the thin black eyeliner. And then I'm gonna put on the mascara. And I didn't put foundation on for this look, because I don't wear foundation like all the time, but I just use concealer. NYX Got You Covered concealer, not the light one but the tan one, and it matches up with my skin pretty nicely. And I love this mascara that I be using because it just makes your eyes like so full. Well, I have longer lashes, but like you can like definitely, but it makes it like pop more, you know, and it makes it like curl up. Mine's like straight. If you did, and comment down more what you want from me. And thank you for watching my channel, and have a good day. Peace out.